Kalas Consulting, and I'd like to tell you about opportunities that gives Moldova to your business development. Moldova is a small country in the east of Europe, where you have opportunities in financial market. As you know, Moldova has a 0% corporate tax. Just try to imagine to open your company and have no tax. In this case, Moldova gives great opportunities for your investment in forex market, and not only. So, if you want to open a company here, we can take care of all the bureaucratic and administrative procedures during an incorporation of a company, providing manager support and give you the first-class office address. Company Kalas Consulting is our invaluable assistant in the business world and financial capabilities. Our company is ready to offer to our clients various services: company formation, consulting, service money manager for your smart forex investment, accounting, web development, and virtual office. We can find the best solution for you to incorporate your Moldovan company. And if you want to interact and work with European offshore company, no problem. We have many great partners and a great alliance to help you with. And this is not all. Also, we can help you to open a bank account here in Moldova or an offshore confidential SEP account. So look carefully at our website and feel free to contact us.